morning students. In previous lecture we learned how to access the content of file by using Python program. Okay. For this purpose we study about three functions: read, read line and read lines. These three functions are used for accessing content of file. Okay. Read functions access a number of characters. Okay. Read function access characters from a file and stores in a string. Read line function access one line at a time and store in a string. Read lines access all the lines from a file and store in a list. Okay. Now today we'll study about how to write in a file. हमें किसी फाइल में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन क्या करनी है, राइट करनी है. ठीक है. So how we write content in a file? For this purpose we have two functions, write and write lines. Write line. These two functions are used for entering data in a file. Entering data in a file. Write function takes string as a argument. Takes string as a argument. And write line function takes list as a argument. Okay. Both these functions are used for entering data in a file. Now, how we use these functions? For using these functions, we must open our file in write mode. Open our file in write mode. It is a file handler, a file object. Open, file name, and write. Or append. To use these two functions, write and write line, we have to open our file in write mode or in append mode. If we open our file in read mode, then we cannot use these two functions. Hence, for using these functions, we have to open our file in write mode or in append mode. Okay. Write mode and append mode you have already studied. Write mode for writing the content, for inserting the data in a file, and append mode for editing in our file. Editing means that we have 4 lines and we use append mode, then next data entered from here. Previous data also present there and next data appended in it. Okay. And in write mode, previous data erased and new data present here. Let previously we have these lines and we use write mode, then all the content erased and new entries done here. Okay. Hence we have to use W write mode or A append mode very carefully. If we want new entry and erase previous entry, then we use write mode. And if we want to edit some more entries in previous file, then we use append mode. Okay. Write function also used for creating new file. write फंक्शन का यूज कैसे कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट फॉर creating new file and next for editing in previous file. नई फाइल क्रिएट करना हो तब भी यूज करेंगे, तब उस समय भी राइट का यूज कर सकते हैं, और हमें कोई प्रीवियस फाइल उसमें एडिटिंग करनी उसके लिए भी राइट फंक्शन यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, now we create our first program for inserting data in a file. So insert name of 5 students. To insert name of 5 students in a file. std.txt. We have a file std.txt in which we want to insert name of 5 students. 5 students के नेम क्या करने, इंसर्ट करने इस फाइल में std.txt फाइल में. First of all, we open this file in write mode. Let create an file object obj equal to open file name std.txt mode write mode. For entering data, we open it in write mode. Next, name, since we have to enter name of 5 students, hence we use for do. For I in range 1 to 6. Name equal to input. नेम की एंट्री, नेम में क्या जाएगा, इनपुट आ जाएगा हमारा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट obj and we have to write these names in our file, hence we use obj dot write and argument is name. After that, we close our file. obj dot close. This is the program for entering name of 5 students in std.txt file. First of all, we open our file in write mode, then using for loop for taking 5 entries. These entries comes from this statement name equal to input. Input के थ्रू जो भी हम इंटर करेंगे कहाँ स्टोर होगा, stored in name variable. Now we take name variable as an argument in write function. Okay, and it insert these names in our std.txt file. When we open our std.txt file in Notepad, let me enter names Ajay, then Vijay, Manoj, Ram, Rahi. We enter these inputs, and when we open our std.txt file, then these entries are displayed in Notepad in a single line, just like it. Ajay, Vijay, Manoj, Ram, Rahi. We expected that entries are comes in this format, but entries are comes in this format. It is not useful. Hence, we have to insert a new line character /n. It is a new line character after each entry. After each entry. For this, we write a next line here. Obj dot write /n, and then close our file. Obj dot close. This statement results to display entry in this format. Now in Notepad, these entries are displayed as Ajay, Vijay, Manoj, and so on. Okay. Hence, if we want to display entry in different lines, we use new line character /n. It is a new line character. Let we want to perform these operations, inserting name of student in a file using write line function. Then we perform some small changes in our program. First of all, after opening our file in write mode, we create a list, a blank list. Let lst1. This statement is used for creating a blank list, lst1. For loop is used as it is 1 to 6 for accessing name of file student. Name equal to input. Okay. Next, obj dot write. Here we make some changes. Input comes in name variable. Now we want to enter this input in our file using write line function. Then list one dot append name. Plus new line character. After each name, we insert a new line character for displaying our result in line by line. Okay. Next, after taking all the entries in list 1, we use write line function. Hence, we use write line function outside the for loop. Write line and take list 1 as an input. लिस्ट 1. राइट लाइन से पहले ओबीजे डॉट राइट लाइन लिस्ट 1. First of all, open our program in write mode, then create a blank list 1 equal to brackets. Okay, then use for loop for taking 5 entries for I in range 1 to 6. Why we use 1 to 6? For taking 5 entries. Next, name, it is a variable for taking input from the user equal to input. The input which is given by user is stored in name variable. Now we use list1 dot append. Append is used for entering data in a list. ठीक है? At the end of list. Append is used for entering data in the end of list. List1 dot append name plus /n for displaying result in next line. For I equal 1, let we input Vijay, then Vijay stored in name and Vijay or new line character stored in a list 1. Next time gives entry Ajay, then add the place 2 1. Vijay stored at 0 in the list. Vijay stored at 0 and Ajay stored at 1 and so on. Okay. After appending all the entries in list 1, we use object dot write line list 1. It enters all the entries in our std.txt file. Next, we have to enter student name, age and DOB. Student name, age and class. Then we make some changes in our program. What is the objective? To insert name, class and age of 20 students. In which file? std.txt. std.txt फाइल में हमें नेम, क्लास एंड एज इंटर करने हैं. हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स? 20 स्टूडेंट्स. obj equal to open std.txt in write mode. Next, for I in range, since we have to enter 20 students, then 1 to 21. Variable, we can use variable name for entering name of student. Name equal to input. Next variable age. Next class input. Next age int input, since age is a integer value. We can use int for converting string value into integer value. Okay. We take entry of name, class and age. Now we store all these information in a string. str equal to age, name plus blank space plus class plus blank space plus age plus name after a blank space, after a space, class after a space, age. After it we use new line character for taking next entry in new line. For taking next entry in new line we use new line character. Now we use our string in write line function. Of हमारा file handler, what is the file handler? Obj. Then we use obj dot write str, and at the end we close our file. Obj dot close. This is the program for accessing, for entering name, class and age of 20 students in a file. We open our file in write mode using for loop for taking 20 entries. Variables are name, class and age. For taking entries of these values, we store these values in string, str string, and this str is used in write function for entering these entry in our file std.txt. Okay. Now we want 4 more entries in our std.txt file. We want 4 more entries in our std.txt file. If we again open our file and use 1 to 5, then all previous entries are erased. Hence we have to open our file in append mode for adding more entries and also present their previous entry. We use append mode. Why we use a to store previous entry and making some new entry Open in append mode, and after that same program is there. Okay. It is the program for inserting name, class and age in age of 4 more students. In our previous file, in our previously created file. This program not erase our previous entry. Our previous entry are also there and new entry are also added in our std file. Okay. Students, you have to watch this video again and again and understand how to write programs for entering data in our file. Okay. Thanks.